Hello dear kids. Namaskar. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. As we have completed chapter number 12, that is air, water and weather. So today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is the sun, moon and stars. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about sun, moon and stars. So first let's discuss the learning objective of this chapter. After you have completed this chapter, you should be able to state, right? After we completed this chapter, आपको क्या state करना आ जाना चाहिए? This term solar system, right? What this term solar system is. Then what planets are? Planets क्या है? What is a satellite? Satellite क्या है? And the names of the planets in the solar system, right? आपको पता हो जाना चाहिए कि solar system क्या है, what planets are, what is satellite and what are the names of the planets in the solar system, right? And then also you should identify the different phases of the moon and the patterns of some common constellation, right, which is made by stars. Yes, आपको constellation की pattern समझ में आ जानी चाहिए. Okay, so these things at the end of the chapter you should be knowing. These are the learning objective of this chapter. You all should keep in mind. Okay, so let's see which topic we are going to learn in this chapter. The first topic is solar system. In this topic we are going to learn about sun, about planets, yes, also about moon, right? In the solar system topic we are going to learn 3 points about sun, planets and about moon. Then the next topic is about stars, right? We are going to learn about stars. Then, you know, stars form pattern in the sky, right? So, that is called constellation. So, we are going to learn about constellation, okay? So, there are 2 topics we are going to learn in this chapter, that is about solar system and about stars. And then we will learn the subtopics of it. Okay. So, let's start with the little story which is given on page number 136. Right. Here one story is given. Let's read it. And let's try to find out the unscrambled word, okay, which is given in this story, right? During the night, we can see the moon and stars in the sky. Yes or no, dear kids? During the night time, what we see in the sky? We see moon and stars. तब आपको sun दिखता है क्या? Can we see sun during the night? No, we cannot see sun at night. So, we can see the sun in the sky during the daytime, right? So, unscramble the letter as you read the story given below, right? We have to find the correct letter. We have to find the word from this unscrambled letters, right? So let's read the story which is given below and try to find out. It is a hot sunny dash. So you can see this. It is a hot sunny YDA. So which spelling will be formed? Yes, it is a hot sunny day, right? So write there D-A-Y, day. Minnie looks at the sky. Okay, the sky appears blue. Right, in the daytime, it was very hot there. Yes, sunny day hai, weather is sunny, and Minnie is looking up in the sky, and she saw that the skies appear blue. She sees the dash shining. Now, what she sees? U-N-S. So, which spelling will be formed from this unscrambled letter? U-N-S. Yes, sun, right? So, she sees the sun shining. So, write there, sun. Her mother called her inside and asked her to finish all her homework. So, जब वो देख रही थी उतने में उसकी मम्मा ने उसे बुलाया एंड शी आस्क्स हर टू फिनिश हर होमवर्क. राइट, उसकी मम्मा क्या कह रही है? कम बेटा, वी विल फिनिश होमवर्क. यस, देन इट टेक्स हर अ लॉन्ग टाइम and by now it is already dark outside. So for completing her homework she has taken a long time and utne mein to outside it is already dark. She opens the window and look outside. Right? अब उसने window open की and she look outside. What she found? She sees the dash shining in the dash sky. So she sees the O-M-O-N. So what will be the word? Moon, right? So she sees the moon shining in the day sky. So which sky? Yes, night sky, right? So write there moon and night. Minnie also see many dash twinkling in the sky. Now, और Minnie ने क्या देखा? She sees moon, right? And also she saw many stars twinkling in the sky, right? हम रात को नाइट टाइम में क्या देखते हैं? स्टार्स देखते हैं ना, right? Stars and moon. So which word will be this? Stars. So write there stars. Now, do you understand this story? Okay, so let us learn more about object in the sky. See, there are many objects present in the sky, but we know few, right? क्योंकि हम छोटे हैं, right? We don't know about which objects are present in the sky, right? हमको क्या पता है? अभी तक हमको क्या पता है कि there is sun in the sky, moon, and there are stars, right? बट अब हमें और भी इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी है. यस, वी विल लर्न अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्काई. यस, हमें इतना तो पता ही था कि यस देयर इज अ सन, मून एंड देयर आर स्टार्स. बट इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट सम मोर ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्काई, राइट? And they are very far away from us. Yes, which we cannot see because they are very far away from us. Yes, so let's start with the first topic, solar system. Everyone come on page number 137. Solar system. The sun and all the bodies that move around the sun together form the solar system. So dear kids, इसका मतलब क्या? Sun, solar system कैसे form होता है? Yes, so sun होता है and all the bodies means कि हमारी human body नहीं, right? Bodies means the objects which move around the sun. Right? ऐसे objects जो move होते हैं sun के आजू बाजू. They together form. Right? Sun भी और जितने भी objects हैं. Right? Scientific term में उसको हम bodies कहते हैं. Right? So the sun and all the bodies that move around the sun, it together form the solar system. Right? Do you understand this first line? Okay, again I am explaining. The sun, solar system की definition क्या होगी? The sun and all the objects, or we can say and all the bodies that move around the sun, they together form the solar system. Okay, then what I said, that bodies, अब bodies क्या होगी? Right, objects. तो object कैसे object, कितने object? Right, so sun and bodies में क्या आ जाएगा? Planets. Okay, moon. Yes, ये सारे क्या है? This all makes the solar system. So sun, planets, moon, it together form the solar system because this all move around the sun. Yes, planets and moon. ये दोनों sun के around move होते हैं. That's why, yes, so from that it formed the solar system. Okay. The sun. The sun is a star. Okay, do you know that? Sun is also a star. Sun एक star है. It is made up of very hot gases. जो sun है वो बहुत गर्म gases से बना है. Yes, it is made up of very hot gases and it gives out light and heat. Sun से हमें क्या मिलता है? We get heat and light. So, which things you are going to remember in this about sun? That sun is a star. Yes, sun एक star है, which is made up of very hot gases and it gives out heat and light. Now, dear kids, now let me give you one IBL question. Right? अब मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. इंक्वायरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. क्या ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स डिपेंड ऑन द सन फॉर एनर्जी? क्या ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स डिपेंड है सन के ऊपर फॉर एनर्जी, फॉर हीट एंड लाइट? यू हैव टू थिंक. ओके, आप सबको क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स डिपेंड ऑन द सन फॉर एनर्जी. यस, अब ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू गिव मी इन द व्हाट्सएप और इन द लाइव क्लास. ओके, नाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दिस, अबाउट सन? फाइन. So we will move to the next topic, that is about planets. Planets move around the sun in fixed path called orbits. See dear kids, solar system में sun के आजू बाजू बहुत सारे heavily bodies, objects, they move around the sun, right? And जो planets हैं, right? Planets जो हैं, they move around the sun in a fixed path. Right? एक ही path पे move होते हैं. And उस path को हम क्या कहते हैं? We called it orbits. Right? Planets do not have their own light. उनके पास उनकी खुद की light नहीं है. They reflect the light of the sun. वो reflect करते हैं. sun की light उसको मिलती है. Okay? And there are total of 8 planets which move around the sun. How many planets are there total? 8 planets and they move around the sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, there are total 8 planets and the names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so the sun and its 8 planets, they together form the solar system. ओके, सन और उसके 8 प्लैनेट्स जो हमने अभी यहाँ पे पढ़े, दे टुगेदर फॉर्म द सोलार सिस्टम. इनसे एक सोलार सिस्टम बन जाती है. राइट, each planets move around the sun in its own orbit. राइट, अब हमने फर्स्ट पॉइंट पढ़ा कि जो प्लैनेट्स होते हैं जो मूव करते हैं सन के अराउंड, दे मूव इन अ फिक्स पाथ विच इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट्स. सो जितने प्लैनेट्स हैं उनकी उतनी ऑर्बिट्स हैं. राइट, एंड दे मूव इन इट्स ओन ऑर्बिट. आप कभी ऐसा देखोगे नहीं कि नेपच्यून सैटर्न के ऑर्बिट में मूव हो रहा है, वीनस मार्स के ऑर्बिट पे मूव हो रहा है. नो, वी कैन नॉट सी दैट. यस, ऑल प्लैनेट्स, जितने भी प्लैनेट्स हैं, they move in its own orbit. Now let's see the picture which is given below of solar system which included sun and its 8 planets. So from this picture you can see there is a sun, then and its 8 planets, starting with Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. See, they are in a fixed orbit. ये जो आपको राउंड लाइन दिख रही है, दिस सर्कल्स, ये उसके ऑर्बिट्स हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज मर्क्यूरी, देन वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. Right? Now see dear kids, there is a get it right. What it says, orbits are imaginary path that the planets take to move around the sun. They do not actually exist. सी डियर किड्स, ये आपको जो ऑर्बिट्स करके लाइन दिखाई दी है, राइट, जो लाइन दी गई हुई है, दे आर जस्ट एन इमेजिनरी पाथ. राइट, एक सिर्फ क्या वहां पे लाइन बनाई हुई है? नो, ये तो सिर्फ हम इमेजिन करते हैं कि दे मूव इन अ फिक्स पाथ विच इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. ये सिर्फ हमें इमेजिन करना है कि ऐसे वो लोग मूव होते हैं, ऐसे वो लोग मूव होते हैं अराउंड द सन. राइट, कुछ ऐसे लाइन नहीं दी हुई है. ओके, जस्ट इमेजिन कि ऐसे वो लोग रिवॉल्व होते हैं, मूव होते हैं. राइट, देयर इज नो लाइन. अंडरस्टूड? सो orbits are imaginary path that the planets take to move around the sun. They do not actually exist. हमें समझने के लिए इसीलिए हमको ऐसे ऑर्बिट्स करके हमें समझाया गया है एंड यहाँ पे हमें सर्कल दिए गए हैं कि हम अच्छी तरह समझ सकें. बट हमें ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि स्काई में ऐसे रिंग्स होंगे और वी कैन से सर्कल्स दिए हैं, उसी पे वो प्लैनेट मूव होता है. नॉट लाइक दैट. इट इज जस्ट एन इमेजिनरी पार्ट. आपको इमेजिनरी करना है. ओके, एक्चुअल में ऐसी कोई भी लाइन नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर टुडेज CW. Today we have discussed the learning objective. We have started our new chapter. We have started with the story, right? So dear kids, today your homework is to write 3-4 lines on sun. Okay, you are going to write 3-4 lines on sun. and also you are going to draw solar system in your notebook. Right? आज आपका होमवर्क क्या है? आज आप लोग सन के बारे में 3-4 लाइन लिखोगे and also you are going to draw solar system in your notebook. It's easy. Homework is easy. Okay? And also you are going to read the chapter. Right? Chapter भी आप लोग read कर लेना. So it become easy for you while I am explaining to you. Okay? So bye kids. Take care. Have a good day.